Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how to draw eyeliner. This video is specifically meant for everyday eyeliner, means day to day. Okay, I know that there's lots and lots of videos about how to draw eyeliners, but then this is my version of the eyeliner video, and it's not a wing cat liner or very extravagant kind of liner. I'm going to explain to you more in detail as to how we draw and what kind of liner you would prefer to use and why I use this technique and so on and so forth. So if you are interested, stay tuned and keep watching. But as you can see now, I don't have any eyeliner on my eyes. There's some eyeshadow just a bit, but yeah, the purpose of this video is to show you how to draw eyeliner, so therefore I have no eyeliners. Okay, the thing about liner is that it actually helps to define your eyes. Some people say that it makes your eyes look bigger. Yes, that's true, but more importantly, it helps to sharpen your eyes so your eyes look, wow, attractive. That's the reason why we have eyeliner. To start, I'm going to use pencil, and here I'm using normal pencil liner. For beginners, we start with pencil liner because it's easier to control, and the technique that I'm doing now is called tight lining. Tight lining is where you use your pencil liner and you draw in your lash line here just to create the effect that you have a fuller looking lash. Okay, so let's start. This is your pinky. Pull up and you fill in. Use the pencil to fill in your lash line. This eye looks a bit more sharp compared to this eye. So this is a technique called tight lining. Let me show you how to use a gel liner. You can also use gel liner and pencil liner for tight lining. I would recommend you to use liquid liner because the liquid might go in your eyes and it's not a good experience, so don't. I would recommend pencil if you're a beginner and gel for tight lining. So gel, how do you use gel? Let me show you on this side. I use angle brush for gel liner, technique that I normally use. Use a little finger, just press your eyelid there and slowly fill in. Next is we're going to draw a little bit of wing to elongate your eyes. I personally like to start from the outer corner of my eye here. I'm just going to extend a draw small line towards my double eyelid here. There's a line in my double eyelid. So it's that. Just like that, can you see? And we go up close. It's not done yet. Just a very small line. So what I do is, just going to make the line more intense and draw a small triangle there. Just like that. See? Now, I have a wing liner. A very small, very soft wing liner. So if you want to create a very soft, natural eyeliner, use a pencil. Pencil liner really helps to give that soft effect. So you can always pull up a bit of your eyelid here and intensify the wing liner and make it a bit more longer. Just imagine you draw a small triangle there on the outer corner of your eye. Gel and pencil lining creates more a softer effect, whereas a liquid liner, it gives a bit more defined shape. So let's start with the liquid liner. What you do first is from the outer corner of your eye, here, just draw a straight line, and from that line connect it to your eyes. Then you color it in. Just remember to draw a small triangle, okay? There you go. Liquid liner tends to look a bit more sharp and a bit more defined. If you're looking for a bit more defined type of liner, you can use liquid liner. If you want a softer effect, a bit more natural, you can use a pencil liner. See? And let me show you how to use the gel liner for this one. So when you draw with a pencil and you want to intensify the wing liner that you did, with the angle brush, go over it with the gel liner, fill it in, and just flick it outwards so that has a very sharp end there. Yeah. So there you go, the difference between a pencil and a gel liner and a liquid liner. So if you want a more defined eye, you can use a liquid liner, creates more defined effect. And if you want a softer effect, you can use a pencil or a gel. So as you can see for today's demo, I only use tight line and I wing only on the outer corner. This is to give larger looking eye effect because my double eyelid space is not that wide. So I choose to use tight lining just so that you can see my double eyelid space. If I choose to draw a thicker liner and I fill up all that space, it makes my eyes look smaller. So let me demo for you so you can see what's the difference. Let me show you if I draw thicker liner. Okay, so what I'm currently doing is I'm gonna overline my eye. I'm gonna do a thicker liner. Just make it thicker. Yeah. There you go. For this side of my eye, the eye is a bit more thick, and this side is a bit more natural because what I do on this side is just tight lining and wing on the outer corner, whereas this side is full on liner from front all the way to the back. So I've done the demonstration, and as you can see, both my two eyes have two different eyeliner effects. Difference is this eye appears more rounder, and this eye appears more longer. Can you see? But if you look closely, this eye looks bigger and this eye looks smaller. It's because when you have a small eyelid space and you don't draw a thicker liner to cover that eyelid space, your eyes look bigger, just like that. As for this eye, showcases very small amount of eyelid space there. And if I like that, can you see? This is me without raising my eyebrows. You can see that this eye appears more smaller and this eye appears more bigger. So if you like your eyes to look bigger and natural, go with this technique. Just tight lining and draw a small wing liner on the outside. And if you want your eyes to look more rounded, dramatic, and you prefer thicker liner, go with this one. So just go all the way, draw a thick line from the inner corner all the way out. Okay, so there's two different types of liner here. And my technique here shows that if you have smaller double eyelid space, don't overline your eyes, otherwise you can't see much of your eyelid space. If you have a very wide double eyelid space, like your eyes are very big, yeah, feel free to draw a very thick liner, it's up to you. So it's actually not a do's and don'ts, but it's more of like an option that I'm giving you. This is the basic of eyeliner that I want to tell all of you. So you can draw any different types of liner that you like, cat eye, wing eye, whatever eyeliner that you prefer, as long as you know and you understand your eye shape. So we're done with both demonstration of my eyeliner. Hope you do understand, and if you don't understand, please comment down below so that I can answer your question more clearly, I guess. Okay, for today's video, it's very basic how to do your everyday eyeliner. Thanks for watching. Bye!